Okay, so basically this is the initial setup, just a quick walkthrough. So you have the entrance and 4-car parking space with a good turning radius. Then from there you have this huge entrance veranda, and it has two entrances. One is a sliding door leading to the dining room, and another one is this standard door leading to the living room. There's a small divider here. It's an open plan, living and dining. So there's just a small divider. Maybe if I go in 3D mode, you can be able to see. Yeah, so basically that's the divider. Then from there, from the dining, there's another sliding door leading to the kitchen, or if you're in the living room, you can use this opening, which leads you to another corridor. So from the living room, you go through, there's another corridor which leads to the guest bedroom. There's a guest bath, and then there's a common toilet which can be used by guests so that they don't have to go all the way to the where the bedrooms are. And then from this corridor again, you can go through to the kitchen. There's the kitchen island, quite a spacious kitchen. And then there's an outdoor kitchen as well, which can be used for, usually we call it a dirty kitchen, a wet kitchen. And it's quite also a huge veranda, which also leads or connects to the living room. So from the kitchen, you can go outside and go through the entrance to the TV or the playroom. And from the TV or playroom, you can go through the sliding door to the corridor. So this sliding door should allow at least natural light from this side to go all the way through and give some natural light in the corridor. Otherwise, there's another door from the kitchen going into the corridor again. And then in the corridor, there's this huge center stage whereby, like on that part, there's a storage unit, and then there's the door leading to the common bathroom and toilet. There's another door leading to another bedroom, and another door leading to another bedroom, and then another door leading to the master bedroom. And then from the master bedroom, there's another door which is leading to the master balcony, or you can go through another door to go in the walk-in closet, all the way through to the master bathroom. There's a full bathtub, and then there's supposed to be a shower here. There's uh, vanity sink, and then a dedicated master toilet, which has a dedicated door in the master bedroom. So this other bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, shower, and toilet. And then another thing is, I think when we go to the 3D view, as you can see, there is quite a lot of furniture that are fitted in. I think for the furniture, we'll be specific when we're doing the edits together so that we see which actual furniture will be made with the construction of the house. But otherwise, for perception, you can see, for instance, when you look at it from this side, you can actually see that you can see all the way through the dining, all the way to the kitchen. This should also tell you that you should have natural light flooding all the way to the kitchen, all the way to the living room, just as you said last time that you want as much natural lighting as possible. Another thing that I did was to put some greenery space, like a garden, so that when you're on the veranda or the master balcony, you can enjoy this beautiful greenery scene. Otherwise, this is the initial view, like from the entrance. This is how it would possibly be looking like if you choose to go through with this concept, minus maybe a few design changes that we might have to do together. But otherwise, this is the perception. As you can see, there's some windows on the outdoor kitchen as well. So yeah, I hope you get a feel of how the design ethic is like. Otherwise, I'll put this in the system now so that I can send you preliminary pricing, so that when we start now looking at the edits, at least we can do it from a perspective whereby we know, okay, if we change this and that, we still have maybe room for this much, so we can add this or we can subtract this and the like and the like. So basically, that's that in a nutshell.